Just like we had note expressions in the detail note editor, we have audio expressions in the detail audio editor. If we go into a note clip, we have these note expressions right here. And if I go to an audio clip, we can find the audio expressions in the same bottom left corner. We briefly looked at the onsets. I can add more onsets wherever I choose to just by double clicking. I can move them around because maybe I want onsets that Bitwig Studio does not recognize by itself. And then go ahead and maybe split the audio event at the onsets or quantize it, which by the way does require me to first split at the onsets. So those are the type of actions that I do right here. If I want to simply edit the event itself, I go into Event, maybe use the Time Selection tool. Maybe move stuff around. Right, and just like in the note side of the detail editor, I can edit the clip itself using the clip alias at the top of the window. And again, you see that reflected in the arrange timeline. Gain is pretty obvious. This is where we edit the volume expression. So I can just edit these points. The waveform is updated in real time, which is really nice. And doing this will now make our loop fade in a bit. If I hold my Option key and I'm close to the ramp that I just made, the cursor will change into the curve tool, and I can just pull this automation line to create a curve. And again, this is also graphically updated in real time. In a later video, we're going to have a look at the automation in the arranger timeline, of course. But for the most part, that works just like this. So holding my Option key when I'm around an automation line will allow me to draw these curves. So that's a way to get gain or volume automation into my audio clips. How about the panning then? Well, same thing as for the notes. I can just add expression points like these. If I draw them to a negative value, that is to the right, and positive is to the left, of course. All right, so again, no surprises there. Let me just undo that. I'm gonna undo the gain expression also. All right, the next one in the list is pitch. I was really curious about this, how it would hold up against the other DAWs. And I'm not disappointed. It goes from -24 to +24 semitones. So if I drop this 0 point down a bit, add another point to have it go up again. Same thing, not really extraordinary, but it is what you expect from a modern DAW. So I'm glad they put this all in there. Okie doke. So we already discussed the onsets. Let's go to the next video and talk about the stretching capabilities of Bitwig Studio.